Hi guys, today I'm going to be replacing the pedals on this bike because here's my shoe and my foot always feels like it's falling off of the pedal. So I bought these Crankbrothers Stamp 1 pedals, and you can see that they are probably an inch wider than the original pedals that came on this bike. These do not have reflectors, so just so you know that. And also they give you this little tiny instruction. Well, it's not even an instruction manual. It says go to our website. So I went to the website. Basically what they tell you there is that the left pedal is going to have a groove right here to tell left and right. So that's the left pedal that'll go on the other side. And also comes in the box is this sticker, which I don't need. They could probably save some money and some trash if they stop doing that. But anyway, this on this Diamondback is 15 millimeter. So what they also tell you on the website is that the left pedal is also reverse thread. So, and they also want you to know what the torque spec is on the pedal when you install it with the hex key. I want to say they said it was 8 millimeter hex key. This thing says 5/16, so that's what I'm using. Sorry I'm a little stuffy this morning. It's winter time, fall, so I got allergies going on. So you just want to be real careful putting the pedal in, just to make sure that it's not cross-threaded. Okay, I'm going to use this way. So like I said, I don't have a torque wrench, so I'm just going to give it a good tighten. They do say put some lube on the threads if you want to, but I don't need to put any lube on here. Alrighty, that's pretty tight. So what's going to happen is I'm going to try this out. Should fit my shoe a little better. So covers most of my shoe. I'm going to try that out. If this doesn't work, like it still feels like my foot's falling off the pedal, I'll probably get some pedal extenders. They give you another inch or so from the crank, and I just might have a wider stance on the bike, I guess. I don't know. So anyway, here's the box. Got it on Amazon. This is for the large size pedal, Stamp 1. So hope that helps somebody out there in YouTube land. Till next time, see ya.